Somalia's former president, Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud, and Somaliland officials approved the deal for illegitimate private gains. He also indicated the deal has none of the legal provisions needed and did not go through Somalia's legitimate public procurement, financial institutions, and through the parliament. Therefore, it is corrupted and it is illegal. The United Arab Emirates has already violated our national sovereignty and airspace because of its plans to come to Somaliland without paying airspace tax and without the permission of Somalia's legitimate government. We ask the United Arab Emirates to respect the International Code of Conduct. Now, he further indicated that the United Arab Emirates is violating Somalia's national and territorial integrity, and it must withdraw from the deal. Now, it was Muammar Gaddafi who once stated at an Arab League summit that Arabs cannot trust each other and they often stab each other in the back, while allowing the United States to establish military bases in their countries from which to attack other Arab countries. Now, he was telling the truth. It was right. However, the Saudi king at that Arab League meeting, he then threatened Gaddafi, telling Gaddafi that Saudi Arabia is a frontline state. It is supreme, in other words, and that the grave awaits him. It awaits Gaddafi. A few years later, Saudi Arabia, working with the Zionist West, along with Qatar and others, to overthrow Libya. They murdered Gaddafi and killed two of his sons in 2011. And since that time, Libya has been a failed state. Terrorists rule there. The United Arab Emirates already have a military base in Eritrea. It is aligned with Saudi Arabia in the war against Yemen. Yemen, a very, very poor country. The United States and Britain also provide Saudis with weapons and military assistance against Yemen. It is a glaring case of rich states against an impoverished state. This deal between Somaliland and the United Arab Emirates